Hey, thank you for clicking on the video. Today we're going to be installing a cat door, and I'm going to put it on this door, and it's going to allow the new barn cat Frank to go in and out as he pleases when he's hunting and taking care of mice or whatever else, moles. He's made it through the 3-week stint inside the pole barn. You know, I let him out. I exercised him quite a bit throughout that time. He is very familiar with the pole barn now, and he believes that the pole barn is his home. So I'm gonna give him a door so that he can come and go as he pleases. I might lock it at nighttime for a little while. I'm not sure if raccoons are gonna try to get through this. I don't know if a raccoon will fit through this opening, but I don't want a raccoon getting in there. Look at that. So the first thing we're gonna do, inside the package here are the instructions. We're gonna read the instructions. Okay, I've read the instructions. We're gonna cut out the template for the large size. We bought the larger size because I'm not really sure how big Frank will get when he gets older. Well, I got the template all cut out now. We're gonna secure it to the door, make some marks on the door, and we're gonna cut the door out. Not that bad. Now I'm gonna drill out the corners so that I can get the skill saw in there easy. Because of where the template laid out, I struggled to drill right there on that corner because it's just not a level surface. So I put one there, and I'm hoping I can take the skill saw and work my way up. But if I can't, I'll just try to drill it and we'll see how that goes. I could probably put a drill right there though, that's flat, so I could skill saw back over to this corner. I think it'll work out just fine. That's okay. It's not perfect, but I can't afford what these contractors want nowadays. I'm gonna put a little bit of caulk on it because I just think it will hold a lot better if I do that. Yeah, my drill is stuck in hammer mode. If anyone catches that. If I could offer one tip, I kind of struggled to get the screws in. I think I cut my hole just a smidge too large. So maybe try to start smaller with your hole and see how that goes. I did the caulk not only to keep the water out, but to also help kind of hold the frame secure and keep it from possibly getting kicked hard and loosening up those screws that are holding it together. Overall, I'm very pleased with it. I think it's going to work really well for Frank. He'll be able to come and go, and we'll see how he does. Come on in. Come on, buddy. See? Push it. Well, Frank's got a new exciting door that he has yet to figure out. We'll give him some time to figure it out. Hopefully he familiarizes himself with it. Hey, thank you for watching the video. I hope you liked it. If you could, please give us a thumbs up. That helps YouTube to place us just a little bit higher. If you want to check out this cat door for yourself, I will leave a link in the description below so you can go ahead and check it out. If you have any questions about how it's going, you want to make sure that my cat's still using it, or if he ever figures out how to use the door, leave a comment below. I'll let you know, and I'll also try to update you in the description along the way if anything goes wrong or if anything changes with the product. Thank you for watching, take care, and have a nice day.